Well, time to go get killed again.
Oh, nephew, you've stood against the Bull of Minos, have you? Well, I must apologize for any inconvenience there, because he was a living testament to my revenge. Long story, boring really, rather sordid too. Stay strong.
Poseidon's strength. That's what you get. Not yet. Might as well. All right, then.
You move in darkness, practically unseen, son of Hades. It is quite difficult even for me to sense your presence at times. The Olympians catch their glimpses now and then, but you are always in a shroud. Thus is the influence of Nyx.
More wretches.
On a break again.
Hey, quick question, Sisyphus. You seen the other Fury sisters lately?
Not seen the other Fury sisters in some time now that you mention it. Just Megara, the kindly one. And she is quite a handful on her own. I'll keep an eye out for the other two. Certainly, Highness.
Lucky find.
Thanks for stopping by.
You lads again, huh?
I know your dad. He's got to be a real handful. I relate to that. You understand me, mate? So you get out of there and you'll be more than welcome here with us.
Cheers, mate. good enough to eat. Charon's shop. Just what I need. The power of the sea. Gemstones.
Nobody gets out of here, whether alive or dead.
Made them mad.
There. Satisfied?
There we are. Blood and darkness.
I've tolerated your impudence for long enough. Useless.
Very nice. Perfect fit. One Fury Sister coming up. Hi. Let me guess. Murder? Murderer, perhaps. One of those two. God. trespassing through your secret hall and going up. Let's think about this. Which to choose? Going up. Hot up here. Could use the rod of fishing there. More Inferno bombers? Bring it. Has to be the last of this lot. I'm rich. Uncle Poseidon. In the name of Hades. I'll pay for that.
You're such a sweetheart.
Barge of Death, you're here. My reward. Olympus, I accept this message. I'll just take that.
Make yourself at home. Just the ingredient I needed, hun. Thank you so much. You know, you weren't near as bad as I'd heard.
Oh, don't worry, we're still getting to know each other. Plenty of time for me to live up to my notorious reputation. Though I'm surprised you've heard of me at all.
Hey, hun, what's going on? Speak up. I know when something's up down to my roots, and something's up.
Well, it's just, I think I wanted to tell you more of Orpheus, since he's court musician in my father's house. Calls you his muse. Says he misses you terribly. I thought you should know.
Orpheus said all that, huh? Tell you what, the next time you run into him, you ask him about the time that he came all this way to try and save me, even though I was already dead. Can you guess how that turned out?
Yes, I do believe I can. Look, I didn't mean to upset you.
Yeah, well, neither did he. But you know what? Actions beat intentions, hun. Now here, how about a treat and you can be on your way? Here, enjoy.
Why, thank you.
Thanks again.
Okay, bye.
One of my boons got stronger.
I can use this.
Zag, your uncle's passing through. Not Dad, the other one, I mean. And he just wanted to check in, see how you're doing, so...
Aha! There you are, my little nephew. Dionysus showing you the ropes or what? You want a real feast, though? You just stick with me. I'll take my blessing. Go.
Oh, anyway, we're here, man, waiting up for you. We know you're gonna make it, I would say, eventually.
I will keep coming back, just like your stupid heads. How many of these are there?
You want to tangle with us?
Till you reconstitute again. Should be handy. Could try a different one. Take me up. Much nicer climate. That's a lot of coin. Let me have it. Master Chaos, everyone makes offerings to my relatives upon Olympus. I wish to make an offering to you. Thank you for everything.
How cruel of you to make attempts to tempt me with material things. You then, please in turn allow me this attempt at reciprocity.
Master Chaos, thank you. In the name of Hades. Should be worth it soon enough. Are there? All clear. There, that's it. Let's fish. Right there. I caught a carp.
edges.
You probably caught yourself thinking, Hermes sure is quick, so how come it took so long for him to show up in the first place? Well, I'm afraid that's not for you to know. But it's not because I was late. Not late for anything.
That's the stuff. Did Daedalus himself build all of this?
Within the delicately hewn constructions of Elysium exist places of peace so utterly serene and absolute as mortal kind is seldom to experience during the average short and often painful coil.
Is this really as good as it gets for mortal kind? More trouble. Solved.
It's all forgettable, with just a single drink.
Something wrong there, sir? I mean, shouldn't you be up and about, competing for eternal pride and glory and all that?
What's the use? Let's say we fought, if anybody asks. Now go. I've no quarrel with you. Besides, I'll just remain here comfortably at rest for some untold millennia, I guess. Have a nice... whatever time it is.
Take care then.
Should come in useful. Time for the main event.
So, Hellspawn, you seek to break through to the surface of the world, but you shall not achieve your goal whilst I yet live and breathe, or the equivalent of it here in the splendors of Elysium.
And you leave me with little choice but to make you shut up already, and your bull-headed manservant there.
That Minotaur whom you address is my dear friend, you preconceiving stain upon the earth. Asterius and I are brothers here in death, as we were enemies in life. Not that you could ever understand fraternal bonds as strong as ours. My shield is strong, huh?
laughing stock compared to my superior technique. Witness the power of the gods!
I guess they're testing me.
Foul demon!
Finally. Nice. Okay. That was Elysium. What's with the air up here? These urns have coin in them.
The vast temple of Styx and its innumerable dangers now are all that separates the underworld prince from the land outside, which he so desperately longs to see.
I've almost made it. Here goes. No thanks. What sort of terrible snake stone is that? It's quiet, finally. Back I go. A moment's rest. Something I can use. Here's the fee. Couldn't have said it better myself. try. Found it already.
Delicious.
A sack fit for a huge three-headed hound.
Deep within the desecrated lair of the god-defiling satyrs lie the noisome contents of their profane rituals, so foul as to be indescribable.
Cerberus just loves the stuff.
Bit of an aftertaste.
Should I go fight some satyrs or get out of here? Satyr tunnels.
Gigantic Cerberus accepts the prince's foul offering.
Bye for now, boy. I'm here, Father. Come on.
There was a time when Cerberus would never have permitted any soul to exit through that gateway there behind you.
Oh, that can't possibly be true. What about Orpheus, Theseus, Heracles, Odysseus? Countless tales of brave men delving into the underworld, then leaving whence they came.
They left on my authority alone, nor did they take for granted my good graces. You believe you are entitled simply to walk out of here, from your birthright and your responsibilities. But I am here to tell you, no.
Subjects to stay out of this.